In this video, we will demonstrate how to release an FCS2 chamber base if it will no longer rotate. There are 4 components to the FCS2 base assembly: the base, the 4-paw ring, the knurled ring, and the dovetail. When tightening or closing the chamber with no white top, the 4-paw ring may make contact with the base of the chamber, or when opening or loosening the chamber, the 4-paw ring may make contact with the dovetail. Once the chamber is fully open or closed, stop rotation. If rotation force is put past these stops, then the 4-paw ring will bind, therefore causing the chamber to become stuck. To release the chamber, first use an 050 Allen driver. The screws are on the bottom of the chamber base. Loosen each screw so that it protrudes past the base of the dovetail. Once all screws are loose, try to normally tighten or loosen the chamber with the knurled ring. If at this point you cannot free the chamber, you must remove the screws fully from the chamber. Please take note that with the gray epoxy at the top, 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock screws require the long 172 screws. The rest of the screws are the short 172 screws. Once the screws are removed, take off the dovetail and then take the 4-paw and knurled ring away from the base. Rotate the knurled ring and 4-paw ring so the 4-paw ring is centrally located in the threads of the knurled ring. This will be exactly in the middle of the travel of the chamber. Now reassemble. Tighten the screws, making sure that at 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock the long screws are installed. These screws interface the white top and provide anti-rotation to the white top and optical stack when assembling the chamber for use on the microscope. Also make sure all screws are slightly loose to allow for alignment of the dovetail and the chamber base. Tighten the screws in a crisscross pattern and final check all screws. The screws have to be snug, but do not over tighten or strip. How to prevent this in the future from occurring. Step 1. Don't force the chamber past its hard stops. Step 2. Make sure the threads on the 4-paw ring and knurled ring are greased. If there are any other questions about the FCS2 or any of our products, please feel free to contact us.